Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to calculate certain number of dates based on the selection of date. So for a particular year and month, we are going to see in today's video. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking on today's video. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I will try to explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting into the details, let me explain what kind of tables I have imported into this report. Okay, so customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, product category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. And also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship is very important, because if you understand how the data propagation has been flowing from one direction to many direction, you will try to understand. So go to the model tab, collapse here, try to scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that I'll try to zoom in so we can see everything now. So if you look at, already we established the relationship. I'll try to highlight in between. Now we can see that color is getting highlighted because it means that based on this key we have established a relation from dim product table to internet sales. So it's like a one direction to the many directional. The way filter propagation has been going from like this one direction to many directional, because it's a single direction, it's not a both direction. Okay, so likewise I have established the remaining tables also a relationship. Now I will go to the report tab. So now I'll try to explain. So these are the three slicers. This is the month, this is the year, and this is the day select. Okay, so for example, how we are getting this one, day select 5 7 10. So for that I have created a separate table for that. So go to the data table. Now click on this one. Now you can see I have day select, right? So 5 7 10 12 15. Okay, so based on this selection we are fetching the number of days for a specific month and year level. Okay, so that's what it is. For example, in case if I select 5 mains, so from the last day of the month, so this is the November month. In November month 30th, from 30th it will back to the 5 days. Okay, if I select 7 means from 30th to 7th we are getting backward. Okay, so 10th means 10 days back, 12 days, 12th means 12 days back, 15th month 15 means 15 days back. So based on these days, the days select we are selecting, automatically we are finding the number of sales from back to the last month of the day to back to the how many select we can go for that. Okay, so this is the total sale overall, how much, 291.28. okay, for example, if I go to the 2004 July month, now you can see 24,163. so based on the selection, automatically it's getting changed, everything is dynamic. Now you can click on any month, any year, so it works on random basis. Maybe there are some cases if you want to see the based on the day select, you want to see the number of days for each month wise for each year, then in that cases it will be very helpful for designing the report like this. Okay, so how it is working, how we are getting this one. So for that I have created a measure. I'll try to show that also. Sales by date. So okay, so for that I have created 4 variables. One is year variable, month variable, day variable, and also max days variable. Why it is required means, for example, so each month wise what is the max days, I mean how many days are there. For January month, 31 days are there. For February, 29th. Okay, for March, 31. For example, if I click on 2003, we have 28 days only in February. But in case of 2004, we have 29 days. So for the respective year, for month wise, how many days, max days? So that it will give that max days means. Okay. So max days gives the maximum number of days for each month with respect to the current year selection. Okay, so I hope you got it why I'm creating the max days. So that is the reason I have created this max days variable also. After that I'm returning, so what are the variables I have declared? I'm just returning and finally calculating the total sales and filtering the data based on the selection. So if it is year selection, month selection and day selection, so automatically based on the selection it gives the data displaying here. Okay, this is chart level, this is table visual. Okay, it's everything is dynamic based on the day select. Automatically we are getting the backward or upward. Okay, for example we are 15th, right? From May month 2004 we are getting from 31st to 15th. 12th means 31st to 12 days back, 10 days back, 7 days back. So everything is changing based on the selection. Even you can change slicer also. It's like we can analyze data based on the selection. So where the sales are getting more, which month, which day it's giving more number of sales, and we can analyze. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so you can send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for our videos. Thanks so much for watching.